that's what we got. Alright. So my hitch just came in from RhinoHitch. I ordered it, what, Thursday? Maybe Friday? And yeah, I just got here today. Today's Thursday, so a little under a week. Oh man! Well, this is very simply packaged here. Well, it was still. This guy just walked right over and keeps it from moving around. So, oh, that's good weight.
Take it for trucks.
There's the hitch itself. That weighs, it's about 25 pounds. I also went ahead and ordered the locks for it, for the hitch. And then the other lock will go on this, on the adjuster. So adjuster lock and hitch lock. And they use the same key, which is pretty awesome. The other thing I ordered, which I do not see in here, so let's see if it's in here, is this kit only comes with 2 of the stainless balls, and I ordered the 3rd one that it did not come with. Let's see. Alright, it's in there. So, right here, we got the 1 7/8, the 2-inch, and the 2 5/16. Now I can flip this over and it won't fall out, which is really awesome. To get them out, you just push on this little ball right here, like that. So I'll just do it to all of them just to give you an idea. And they stick out a little bit over here. So pull that, and then it releases. And then you'll take this cover off, drop your ball, and there you go. It's not going to come off because your trailer is going to be cupped on there anyway. So we got the 2-inch on here now. And there's that. It locks up real quick. Very, very well packaged. There's that one. The keys. There's that one. So yeah, so as I said, these use the same lock. Oh, come on, let go. Must be doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. Ah, I see. Apparently this screws out. That's how it locks. So you actually keep turning this, and this actually tightens onto it. And then you go ahead and take your key out. Wherever the hell that. Yeah. So, yeah, there we go. Now I figured it out.
Try to untwist it without the key.
Yeah, see?
Oh, okay.
Can't twist without the key. And then as soon as you put the key in, it's got a screw inside that you're actually controlling. You can see the threads in there and the bolt looking thing in there. So this one will be for this. There we go. I'll just hold the key and spin it. And that's not coming out now. And this one, just to make sure, I'm assuming it's going to be the same design. What the fuck? Spin. And it releases. Same design. And this will actually be for this. So, oh, they actually give you the new one too. You didn't have to buy an extra one. Cool. That's the pin whiz. So now, you pull your pin out. This is your adjustment pin. And this is the one that lets you do all your adjustments. So, there's your truck in there. You want to go high. You want to go low. There you go. It's a, what, 9-10 inch drop. So, get all that movement. So you want it right there. And then you'd go ahead. We'll try the new pin out. Put your pin there. There you go. And there you go. Now this is completely secured, solid. It's not going to go anywhere. And even if I pick it up, nothing's moving there. This is shaking because it's not attached to the hitch, but there you go. Just to make sure, this is the 2-inch. This is a 2-inch. As you see, it's solid shaft, so this is solid. Nothing's going to happen to that. It's billet aluminum. This is the 10-inch drop, and it's also the 12,000 pound rating instead of the 10. Yeah, there you go. Just to mess around with it and try another ball. Put your ball back there. It's back in your case. You want the larger one? Push it through a little bit. Pull the pin out. And these pins, you can't pull them out all the way. They're just gonna, they gotta lock in there. Drop it on. There you go. You're ready to hit the road. Go ahead and adjust it as necessary. Good to go. There you go. That's what we got. I really like that brushed aluminum look.